La Ventana with the Kite and Wing Academy. I want to show you how to set up your Wingfoil wing. So what you want to do first, make sure that you're positioning yourself downwind of your board if you have your board already set up, otherwise it might flap into the sharp edges of the foils. The front of the wing is the inflatable part, that's also called the leading edge, and we want to always face that into the wind. Here's your pump. The pump has a pump leash. Always connect the leash to your wing first. This model has two deflates. One deflate is on the strut, which is the part that comes off of the leading edge that also gets inflated. So close the strut valve first and secure it. This is the deflate and the inflate. So screw in the deflate first, hand tight, hold the base and unscrew the cap. And then make sure there's no sand in your pump before you insert your pump. Both feet on the pump, make sure the leash of the pump is taut. If it gets hard, most pumps have a little button at the back. You can unscrew that and then you only pump on the downstroke. There's a gauge on the top that tells you the PSI, and every newer model of wing also has the PSI right on the inflate. This is a PSI 9. I don't always rely 100% on the gauge because they're not super accurate. So I often go by feel. Should be quite hard, a little bit more. Okay, so how do I maneuver the wing around? Before you step off the pump, hold the wing, pull it towards you, undo the pump, close the lid and the little hat, undo the pump leash, and then this is the wing upside down. You can carry it like this into the water. Before you get in the water, turn it upside down, well, the right way up, now it's upside down, to not have to do that while you're in the water and climbing on the board. So hold it by the zero handle, make your other arm long, push down with your top hand and flip it over. If you're not quite ready to get in the water at this point, turn your wing back around in the upside down position. It is less likely to flap, and then you can secure it on the downwind position around the mast of your board. So this is how I do it. I pull it tight and then I put the leash around the handle for extra security, just in case. And the shorter it is, the less it flaps as well. So when you finished your session, maybe you had a break or whatever, detach the wing from your board, your anchor. I always like to walk it a little bit further downwind. Not that anything can happen, but those wings are sharp. Upside down, hold it. It's going to be loud. Open it up from the base, unscrew. I put the leash in the middle, and then I also open up the strut, just so that everything deflates properly and not just out of the one valve. And go up. You try not to, if it's really windy, try not to let go of your wing at all. It's going to fly away. So hold it by the leading edge, and then you're going to roll it up or fold it up to the center strut. One side, so that all the air can come out. You're not going to roll further, otherwise the air gets stuck inside. So that's why you do the other side, because the deflate valve is right in the middle there. If it had the valve on the wingtip, you would continue rolling to squish the air out. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, you can like, subscribe, or share. Stay safe out there.